Hello and welcome to The Rationalistic. This is a channel where we bring you very practical videos and stuff that you can really use to perform better in all spheres of your life. So, ChatGPT, the new extension that has been released by OpenAI, is making waves around the world. So, today we are going to learn how anybody and absolutely anybody can start working on ChatGPT, and we're going to make it quick so that you can learn and then be hands-on on ChatGPT. So how you get started is essentially ChatGPT is a product by OpenAI. So you can go, you can do a free sign up on the ChatGPT uh, platform. There are a variety of options available by OpenAI, but today we are going to stick to ChatGPT. So you can go to get started, make a new account, sign up like you do on any other service. And I'll make a separate video on how to sign up for people who are getting or facing any troubles with signing up. Today, we are going to look at how you can actually leverage ChatGPT after you have it. So essentially, after you sign up onto ChatGPT, this is the interface. It's very clean, it's practical, it's neat, and you can get started right away. Now, apart from the very tactical conversations that you can have with the bot, and it can give you some amazing results, you can actually try it out on a variety of subjects. Today, we are going to see how do we write a slightly long form article using the tool. So for today and for this video, I'm going to choose the history of internet as a topic, and let's see how ChatGPT responds to that. So as soon as you start writing in the prompt, make sure you give the prompt exactly what you need in the form of output. Any AI recommendation engine is as good as the inputs that are given to it. So let's get started. Uh, Today we want to write about the internet. We feed ChatGPT that we want to write a blog about the history of the internet. Now, we also want to include some of the more critical events that might have happened. So we are going to feed that we know we need a chronology of major events related to the internet. And let's also look at how it is being used across the world, right? And you can be totally creative with how you want to run it. Right. So after we have our inputs ready, we feed this to ChatGPT. Let's just look at the output that comes. As you can see, like we have fed, we want a blog about the history of the internet, which should include the chronology of major events and how it is used in different parts of the world. As you can see, the prompt is now scraping the web, coming out with the most relevant statistics for our article. It is giving us some insight into how the internet was formed, ARPANET, the World Wide Web, the role that Tim Berners-Lee played in its formation, then the first browser, the Netscape Navigator, then how Facebook and Twitter came in and revolutionized the internet, and how the rise of smartphones and internet is actually powering the growth of the internet across the world. Right. You can also see that the article has been written about how it is being used in different parts of the world, how developed countries it are using it for communication, entertainment, uh, and a lot of other sources. So overall, if you can see, the article has been written in a very coherent manner. There are zero grammatical errors, and this forms a great content piece for people to build on, write bigger articles, and probably just play around with the tool more. So in some of the other videos, we will see how you can advance your skills, feed back to the tool so that you get an output which is very well aligned to the vision of the article that you are trying to write, and other cases of chat gpt. So I hope you have learned how to sign up and use ChatGPT. Subscribe to the channel for more practical stuff like this about how you can use ChatGPT and other tools to be better at your business, to be better in your careers, to be better in your education. All right. So let's see you in the next video.